Welcome back everyone and also welcome to our judges in the city of Bengaluru. We have a rising star with us, film Singham ki heroine Kajal Agarwal.
And joining her is fashion designer, style guru Prasad Bidappa.
I'm very excited to be a judge for the Airtel Grid Girls because it gives me a chance to work with girls who are strictly speaking non-model types.
Good luck to all the girls from Bangalore. Let's see who's going to be the face of the race.
Please send the first girl in.
Hi, I'm Kavita.
Kavita, tell me, what does the F in F1 stand for?
Formula One.
Good knowledge.
So what do you like best about Formula One?
The excitement watching those cars just rip on the track.
Which is the most glamorous Grand Prix?
Is it the one in Singapore?
No, sorry, it's at Monaco.
First thing that I know about Formula One is speed and the racers. And I love Michael Schumacher. I just want to go and see him once.
What do you think you have that other girls don't?
I have pleasant personality and pretty smile. I can't say ki pretty face because so many girls are beautiful here.
I'm here today to obviously become an Airtel Grid Girl because personally I feel that rather than all those flashy cars out there on the track, I would burn the tracks more. My name is Rukmini Vainateya. I'm 18 years old.
You know, you sound like a 12-year-old girl. Have you been told that before?
By so many people.
What do you think you have to offer to the Formula One?
I think I'm pretty gorgeous and I have the attitude which can make heads turn.
Can you remember who won the Italian Grand Prix?
I'm guessing Lewis Hamilton.
No, it was Sebastian Vettel. Anyway, well done and you're very pretty, so thank you for being here. What if Vettel or one of the drivers came and asked you for a date one evening? What would your reaction be?
I'll go out on a date with him, but I'll tell him I'm already in love, so...
Nice, you'll turn down the driver. Besides being good looking, they need to have that extra edge. They need to have oomph. Shall we get to the point?
Let's do that.
Okay. I know this sounds a little cliche, but I genuinely think that all of you were fantastic. Each one of you has great potential and y'all were just lovely. The first girl would be Kavita Shah.
Gabriella Smith.
Khushbu.
Iti Acharya.
Shabana Said.
Rukmini.
Reshmita Das.
Priyanka Sengar.
Or Shamita Khan.
That was the city of Bengaluru, but now it's time to put the show into overdrive.
Absolutely, because now we're going to take a pit stop in Delhi.
अरे वाह, तुम इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन सीख ले अब और ट्रिविया जान लो. The F1 fueling pit stop, the F1 fueling machine can pump as much as 12 liters per second into the car. Do you know that? Now you tell me how many girls will we find in Delhi per second?
Grid Girl for me is where glamour meets sport.
I want to be a grid girl because when I see the international ones, I mean, I want to be there. Like, I want to be them.
When I think of Grid Girl, I think of being very glamorous. I think of a great sports car, being right next to them, having the experience, having the thrill of speed.
I have waited really long to be on the track, so this time I'm gonna make it. So this is face of the race.
I have it in me to be a grid girl.
Must say the girls of Delhi are really hot and cool at the same time. What are you waiting for? चलो ना, बोलो.
इतनी जल्दी नहीं, पहले अपने व्यूअर्स को ये तो बता दे कि who were the judges in Delhi, the star-studded cast of Sahib Bibi and Gangster.
Delhi girls are very, very beautiful. They have brains, they have confidence, they have attitude, and I'm sure we're going to select a lot of girls from here.
It's great to be here, and I'm sure that कुछ अच्छा निकलेगा.
And joining them is a very good friend, Prasad Vidappa.
Hi, I'm Marilyn.
I think, how did you decide to come in over here for the selection of the Grid Girls?
Actually, I'm always open to new challenges, new experience, so I thought, why not? It's here in India for the very, very first time, so why not give it a try?
What does the black flag signify?
It's an easy one. Disqualification.
My name is Akshina Bhatnagar. Somebody who cannot be destroyed is the meaning of Akshina, and I stand by it.
I think you're very pretty.
Thank you, sir.
Hi Aditi, why do you want to become a Grid Girl?
I just wanted to see myself standing next to an F1 car.
My name is Crystal Lorraine Cheta.
What would you say your special talent is in being a Grid Girl?
I'm an artist, so I want to be in the limelight, you know.
Are you a good dancer?
Yeah, I'm a good dancer.
Will you dance for us?
Sure.
I mean, Jimmy just might sign you for a film, you never know. He's always looking for a pretty girl.
It was something different and I really enjoyed doing it. I mean, yeah, I felt good.
For the start of the race, the car that inspects the track is called
Safety car.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
I must say, Supreet, this was really worth the wait.
और ये तो अभी सिर्फ शुरुआत है, आगे देखते हैं क्या होता है. But after this break.
Ready to go. I don't know how many parts there are in my car. Yeah.
एक और पंजाबी अपना इत्थे बैठे ने जिमी जी.
और तो मूवीज देख के मैं मड्डी हो गया. जिमी.